All right, good morning, everybody. Today's Thursday, August 18th. And we've got a couple things in play. So, first of all, let me just tell you what we're going to be looking at this morning here. Continuing to watch this RTY over here, which is going to be your mini Russell. NQ, which is going to be mini NASDAQ, both indices. Watching some commodities here. Watch gold. We'll watch natural gas, NG. And then on the Forex side, we'll watch Euro US and the US yen. And for stocks, continuing to watch Tesla. And then we got three new stocks, which we're going to watch here. BL, PAYC, and NICE. So in play right now is RTY, which is going to be your mini Russell. And I have a profit target of $19.99. And let's see what else. Tesla also has a buy going on right now. It has a price target of $923.80. $923.80. And on PAYC, I'd like to see a pullback down here to $388.90. $388.90. And of course, we have less than 30 minutes to go here before the opening bell. So let's see. I think we did have some economic news out this morning. Put in a little volatility. Let's see what we had. We do like to look at the news only for indication of volatility. We love volatility, so when we have news in the market or pending news, it tends to give us some really good trading opportunities. So right now, yeah, we had jobless claims come out at 8:30, and then you have home sales coming out at 10. So definitely going to see some activity this morning. That looks good. All right, so everything we're doing here is I'm using a couple techniques. We're using, first of all, with the currencies, we're going to be using our core strategy, which comes in our silver package. What that is, it's a combination of 5 different behavioral patterns. And what we do is we stack those patterns on top of each other, and they will provide us with buy and sell setups. And then on the rest of it, on the indices, the commodities, and the stocks, we're going to be using Einstein. Einstein is a combination of those patterns and a mathematical formula that provides us with exact entries, profit target, and reversals. If we don't hit profit target, what we do is we, if it does hit reversal before profit target, we do a reverse. Einstein will then recalculate and give us a target on the other side, the other direction. We will hit target somewhere around 72 to 80% of the time before a reversal. So pretty good odds that we're going to hit our target first before we hit reversal. So right now, once again, RTY is in a buy right now. So is Tesla. Waiting for PAYC to pull back down here to 388.90. Let's see if I can. I can't see it. Anyway, I've got to lurk down there at 388.90. Watch, see if we can get that pullback. And right now, everything else is quiet. Okay, so for overnight trades, we also do provide overnight trades. Same patterns. It's just that we're applying them to the daily charts. And we are coming in short on the Euro USD. So we put that trade on last night, and we'll just go ahead and we'll get out today at 3 p.m. Eastern. And right now it looks like that is in a green, that is a green position. So we are green on that. I am expecting the market to open up higher. Probably not going to see a big opening or large opening today. But it may just be enough to maybe get this RTY and Tesla to hit its profit targets. We're kind of have to wait and see on that. So besides that, everything's pretty quiet. So we'll just settle back, keep an eye on this, and we'll see if we can't get some trades on its way. Watching the yen for, actually, we do have a short on this yen. We do have a short on the yen. And it's going to bring you up to 134.97, 134.97. 134.97 short yen. A little late seeing that, so 134.97. Now keep in mind, there's you can use these patterns with any market that you like to trade, also on any platform. Now my preference, I like to use the Nadex platform. There's definitely some advantages to doing that. But if you're not Nadex, then that's fine. You don't have to use Nadex as your platform. You can use any platform you like. I'm watching BL. Looks like BL may be pulling back a little bit more down here. So BL looks like it's going to pull back as well. All right, so we'll just hang tight here. We've got a mini Russell on. Tesla's in a buy right now. Seeing if we can hit target. Waiting for PAYC to pull back. And we got a short going on the US yen. All right. And we got about another 3 minutes to go before we get out of that yen. Now, the US, when I'm trading the currencies, definitely more time sensitive. I don't like to hold those trades more than 4 to 5 minutes. When I'm trading with Einstein, which I'm trading on the commodities and the indices and the stocks, that is, I will hold either till a profit target is hit and or reversal. So sometimes it happens within 2 or 3 minutes. Sometimes, like gold yesterday, I think it took over an hour before we hit our target. So there's no telling. If there's a lot of volatility in the market, typically we're going to hit those targets a lot faster. Good, John. You've got Einstein short. Yeah, the Euro US is coming in short overnight. So lines up with that. So I like that. So every Thursday night we do what we call, we train on what we call Crystal Ball. Crystal Ball is part of the gold and the platinum package. Since I'm going to be out of town, by the way, there will be no morning show on Friday or Monday. I will be out of town, so no morning show tomorrow or Monday. But every Thursday night, we do what we call Crystal Ball trading. Crystal Ball is a really good technique for scalping. We did it last night instead, since I won't be here tonight. And man, we had a great night. Last night was just on fire. It just hitting left and right. A lot of CB setups last night. So if you do purchase one of the package, particularly gold does provide you with some special training hours for just Crystal Ball. All the packages do come with access to the live chat room for a good 30 days, so you could try out the live chat room. You have a full year to watch the video, so whatever package you buy, you do have a full year to watch all your videos. Those packages, they're still working on getting that all set up on the new site. So if you're interested in one of the packages, it will be called a little bit different. Binary Pro Strategies is still an active site, Binary Pro Strategies, but it's now our new name is Innovative Trading Strategies, and we're gonna have a lot more information in there besides just looking at the Forex. We're going to be looking at a lot more stocks, a lot more commodities. We'll be watching some cryptos. If you're a stock trader, we have some pretty unique scanners. We do scan for different patterns, so we scan for patterns. We also have a scanner for stock correlation. So some stocks tend to be more correlated than others, meaning that they all tend to move in the same direction at the same time. So a lot of high correlation stocks. And we also look at negative correlations. So if we have a stock that's negatively correlated to, say, like Tesla, we're keeping an eye on that as well. And a big part of what we do is we do like to look at intermarket relationships. All right, that's a very important piece of trading that a lot of people don't look at. So, all right, so still pretty quiet. Okay, let me take a look at something here. I think we're out of the... Yeah, we have a double short going on the yen, but let me take a look at that yen trade. I was busy talking. I didn't watch and see how we got out of that. Okay, yeah, so that first short was a loss on the yen, but these double carrots, one of my best setups. Love taking those trades. I think it's a little bit too late getting in. If you remember, obviously, you could get in as soon as these open up. But it looks to me like it was a 99 short. Looks like it was a 99 short. But once again, like I said, it's too late to get in. Maybe a 95 would be safe here, but I wouldn't want to do anything less than that. So when you see these double carrots, these are all basically patterns. Double carrot is a setup of several different patterns that are showing short. So we like those, really like those. So a lot of times what happens, we'll get an initial short, and win or lose, sometimes we get another one and we'll take that short again. So whether this first trade won or lost, we'll still take the second one when we get those double arrows. And that we teach in the core package. And shorts, I like to add on these double arrows. So I like to add another few contracts on to take advantage of those higher probabilities. All right, so still pretty quiet here on the stock side. Man, just nothing going on right now. Nothing going on in gold. Still long RTY, waiting for that to come up. Yeah, Crystal Ball, and Einstein together is just, well, Crystal Ball by itself is incredible, but when you throw in Einstein, it adds a whole new dimension to your trading. So, Glenn, I'm glad you enjoyed it. And Glenn, I appreciate what you do. Glenn is our moderator for our live show. Thank you so much. I really appreciate what you do for us. And as we start opening up the channel to stock traders and commodity traders, we're gonna get busy. We're definitely gonna get busy. And if you are watching us live right now, things are a little quiet. If you have a particular stock you want me to look at and apply Einstein to it, I'd be glad to do that. And of course, if you like my channel, please subscribe. It helps me out, lets me know to continue on with this live show. Once again, I do it Monday through Friday. First hour is free for everybody. And the purpose is to demonstrate my approach to trading. It is different. It is unique. I do use a set of what I call behavioral patterns that I discovered back in the early 80s. And the nice thing about trading patterns is they're universal. So I can apply them to any market. And that's the idea of the new site. We'll take the same patterns that we use with the currencies and, we're using with some of these commodities, but we're also going to show you we could use them with the stocks and cryptos and whatever else. Yeah, John, you need to sleep, dude. You get up too early. I cannot get up at 3 a.m. I did it a few times to do some late trading. I'll tell you, it's a good time to trade, but you just, at some point, you got to get some sleep. Double carrot. Studying at double carrots end up on gold, so we'll probably see gold come down the next 5 minutes or so. If it hasn't already started coming down. All right, so we have about another 14 minutes to go here. Still expecting the market to open up higher. Not expecting a very large opening, so we'll see. But I do expect the Dow to open up higher. Okay, I'm just looking at the report for jobless claims this morning. Looks like it was down just a little bit. But the continuing jobless claims were up, so kind of a mixed bag there. Existing home sales are coming out here at 10 Eastern. So that should definitely put some volatility in the market. Glenn, you need to get up and trade with John then every morning. If you can get up at 3 a.m. John's a really good trader. You guys could trade together. I'd love to, but if I could, if I didn't need my sleep, I'd definitely be trading. I'd do this 24 hours, 7 days a week. I love trading. But you do have to get your sleep. Yeah, Euro's looking really good, John. You have a target? You have a target on that Euro? Euro US, one of our overnight trades coming in short. And we'll hold that here until 3 p.m. Eastern, so we'll continue to hold that throughout the day. And that's something that does go out. So whether you join us for our silver package or all the way up to platinum, we send those setups out every night to everybody. That's just part of the package. So you'll see, you can watch the overnight trades. You put them on the night before and pretty much you're done. Set and forget, let them go. They have done really well for me. So I do trade those. I am not by any means, to me that's a long-term trade. Overnight is a long-term for me. I'm very much a short-term trader, and the reason for that is because the nice thing about being a short-term trader is, first of all, you don't have any kind of overnight risk, right? And the other thing is you have a lot of opportunity. So I like to come in with a daily goal, daily objective, and that gives me so many opportunities to hit that objective. And that's what I like about short-term trading, is it just gives you a lot more opportunities. Whereas if you like to hold positions overnight, then it could take several days before it hits whatever your target might be. And you may have to go, several days before you start, particularly if you have a drawdown, it could take several days to recover. Where when you're short-term trading, you have a drawdown, then you have a lot of time throughout the day to make up for that. Just be patient, wait for the right setups. And it's still just like super quiet in here. Just nothing moving. Wouldn't be surprised to see gold come down a little bit more. Oh, nice. Good job, man. All right, so we still have a long going on RTY, which is a buy. Waiting to see if Tesla can pull up here. 923.80, 1999 target on that RTY, which is your mini Russell. Waiting to see if we can pull back on PAYC down here to 388.90, 388.90. Another 5 minutes to go before the opening bell. Yeah, that's awesome. You've already made $1,500. What'd you say? $1,524. Good job. And you're just starting the day, man. Well done. Well, like I said, if I could get up early like that, I'd do it too. But I'm already in this room way too much. Got a double carrot buy possibly coming up here, so watch the buy on the yen. If you want to buy the yen 99 right here, it would be good to buy it again at 99. 134.99. $134.99. Okay, we're starting to weaken on some of these indices already, so maybe a quiet opening. We'll see. Could even open up lower to what I'm starting to see here now, so it's possible that the Dow will open up lower. All right, it's going to be an interesting opening. Still have 3 minutes to go here. Okay, we'll see if this double carrot holds over here for a buy on the yen. All right, less than a minute to go before the opening bell. All right, looks like that 99 held on the yen. That was a nice trade, but you're getting a double here for another 99 buy. Let's take a look at the Dow. What's the Dow doing this morning? Yeah, quiet, down 5, up 1, very quiet. Looks like NICE over here is going to pull back. NICE, it's one of our stocks. And let's see, we can see it pulling back down to 233.81, 233.81. 233.81.
Reverse sell.
Okay, we just got a reverse sell on RTY, so RTY is reversing and going short. That's going to put me down to target of 1984. Profit target 1984. Okay, also getting a short on the mini NASDAQ. Getting a short on the mini NASDAQ. This is going to be an HF2 short. It's the name of one of our patterns, HF2 short. Target 134.32.5. Reversal, if we need to reverse on the mini NASDAQ, it's going to be up here at 135.45. All right, nice, did pull down and hit its lower target. Now we'll wait and see if we can get a bounce, maybe get a buy set up for nice. All right, that was a 134.95 buy was on the yen, 134.95. That would not be a winner had you bought the 35. So that's unusual to get a loss on those doubles, but that was a loss on that double.
Profit target hit.
Okay, we hit target on RTY, so RTY hit its lower target. Waiting for the mini NASDAQ to hit its target. Target's 134.32.5. Getting a buy on PAYC, getting a buy on PAYC. Target on PAYC is going to bring us up to 392.90. Once again, I don't suggest you trade like this. Stick with one or two, but I'm just trying to demonstrate on these different markets. Sometimes they all hit at the same time, so it's kind of difficult to keep up with it. But anyway, so PAYC target 392.90. Still pulling back on BL. Still pulling back on NICE, NICE. PAYC is in a buy. Let's see if we can hit target on PAYC. Getting a pullback on Tesla. Tesla will give you a reversal on Tesla. Now this would be an HF1 short. So if we hit, let's see. If we hit 908.80,
reverse sell,
oops, 908.80, let me put that alert in one more time, 908.80. Tesla's still long, would reverse at 908.80. And if it hit 908.80, I could see it coming down to 903.80. $5 move, 903.80. Right now it's still long, trying to hit 923.80. Still short the mini NASDAQ. All right, Dow's down 39, down 41. Okay, getting a buy on BL now. Getting a buy on BL. BL target 74.52.
profit target hit,
Target hit on PAYC. Have a buy on BL, buy on Tesla. Still short the mini NASDAQ. Nothing on natural gas. Not seeing anything here on gold. Nothing on the currencies. All right, so PAYC, I can see PAYC pulling back to 389.90. BL just went short. This is an HF1 short. So let's take a look at BL real quick. BL HF1 short. That would put us at a target of 72.52. Tesla still in a buy. BL reversed. Waiting for a pullback on PAYC. Nothing on NICE. Dow still pretty quiet, down 51. I had looking for a pullback on BL down to 72.52. Yeah, Ken, I think you would like knockouts. It's, I think it's a better way to trade because it does. The nice thing about trading on Nadix platform is there's something called knockouts, and you trade just like you would spots, same thing, except that the nice thing about knockouts is it has levels above and below the price, and they're like safety nets. So for some reason, if something catastrophic comes out, you're not stuck in a position that's just, moving up against you or locked in a position that you can't get out of. So that's why I like it. So it's same as trading spot, except you have those safety nets sitting out there. Now I use the knockouts when I'm trading any of the indices or the commodities. I don't really use it that much on the currencies. Okay, I think PAYC just hit its target on the downside, so let's see if we can get a bounce. Waiting for BL to pull back a little bit more. Tesla's still in a buy position. Still short on your mini Russell. I'm sorry, your NASDAQ. Already out of Russell. So waiting for the mini NASDAQ to pull back down here. $134.32.5 is what I'm looking for here. Dow's down 93, not surprising. Watch the U.S., watch the yen, watch the U.S. yen. It usually pulls, the Dow's going down, it's going to pull that down as well. Pull gold down too, so if we're going lower on the Dow, we're gonna see gold probably start to come down. I do have some entry points down here yet, but they're not close yet. That's a good question. Let me take a look at, I don't think that gap got filled on the Dow. Let's take a look. No, that gap's still sitting down over here. Which the high of that gap, let's see the high here. So that would bring it down to 328.77. 328.77, somewhere in this area. Oops. Yeah, I think we're coming. I think we're going to come down here and fill up this 320. Come all the way down here and fill up this gap. So, doesn't have to do it today. I mean, look how long it took for that gap to get filled way back here, back in June. It took a while. Didn't fill till, July. Where then you have gaps like, let's see here. You had a gap here, got filled a few days later. You had this gap here. Got filled a week or two later. Then you also have another gap way down here. So yeah, I think we're coming down on the Dow. All right, so we're still pulling back on PAYC. I could see PAYC coming down even further, down to the next level down, 388.90. If you're a short seller, you can certainly take advantage of the shorts. So 388.90 be that next level down. Any NASDAQ still short. Watching Tesla now. Tesla hits 908.80. It's going to set us up for an HF1 short. Those are pretty strong, and that's going to push us down at least $5. Dow down 81. Definitely putting pressure on these stocks. And we got about 5 minutes to go before the opening bell. All right, finally starting to move down on the mini Nasdaq. Wow, PAYC is just blowing through these layers. I'm thinking Tesla's gonna have a reversal here and start to go short. Dow's down 78. Gold's not moving. I'm surprised. Gold's pretty quiet. Really thought that gold would be taking off. But definitely pressure on the downside on gold right now. So we'll see. We got BL on a HF1 short. All right, so we're sitting at the top of the hour. Once again, those on YouTube and Facebook, as always, thank you for joining us this morning. We do this every morning from 9 to 10 Eastern. And then we continue on in our live chat room that we do have up every day and evening, because we do some evening trading as well, particularly in the currencies. If you'd like some more information, just go to our YouTube channel, InnovativeTradingStrategies.com. There is an intro video there. Talks a little bit more about my philosophy and a little bit more information on Einstein and my course setups and the behavioral patterns that I use. Also talk a little bit about crystal ball, what is crystal ball and how we use it. Crystal ball is really more for scalping, so we really don't do that here in the morning. That's going to be something we're going to do like in the evenings. Tesla just went short, so this is a strong short on Tesla. So let me just give you a target here, and then we'll go ahead and we'll wrap this thing up here. So now we see Tesla coming down to 903.80.
Profit target hit.
903.80. See, everything's hitting right here at exactly at 10 a.m. And we did hit target on our NASDAQ. And looks like it's got to go even lower. And BL still looking for a pullback down here. Down to 72.52. All right, that is going to wrap it up for today. Hope you enjoyed it. Please, if you like this, please subscribe. Let me know. Y'all want me to continue on with this live show every morning. Please also make sure that you hit the notification bell. We'll keep you updated on any new videos that are coming out. And once again, I will not have a live show tomorrow on Friday, nor will I have one Monday morning. I will be out of town. But we'll be back first thing Tuesday morning for our live show. Rooms will remain open for all our existing students and members, so that won't change anything. Still, the evening chat rooms will be open. Daily chat rooms will be open. Sunday night. All right, that's it. Everybody have a great weekend coming up. Be careful, be safe, and we'll see everybody next week. Take care.